What's going on? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Daniel here from Signature Performance Tire and Wheel and duallywheels.com. Excited to bring to you a 2026 F450 today. This is Derek's truck. He purchased these wheels and tires from us about 3 to 4 weeks ago. And you might wonder why he's just getting them installed now. He's from out of state. So, if you're from out of state, come make the trip. Take your family to Disneyland, the beach. In this case, Derek brought his child down for her cheerleading competition. And so Derek went back and forth. He worked with Jacob in our sales office on picking wheels and tires. I'm excited to show you another F450. We did another one with some 20-inch fitment on what it looks like stock. This one here is a 22-inch fitment. So not sure, picking between 20s and 22s, you can hop onto the page. You can subscribe down below if you'd like to see more videos in the future. But you can go check that one out as well. It's a black truck, came out really nice. So this one here for Derek is a 22-inch package. So we got a 22-inch wheel up front. This is the Arena. It's a 8 1/4 wide, just like pretty much every other dually wheel we sell. And this wheel style is the A121 called the Monarch. Now this finish here is all gloss black. A couple things I really like that they did with this is on a lot of gloss black wheels you'll see milling in the logo, particularly it's left in the center cap. Arena's done a great job blacking out the whole cap, and then we topped it off with Gorilla spline driven lugs. These lugs here, it's a 14 by 1.5 thread pitch. So if you're on our site looking to get some lugs like this, we do have 8 and 10 lug kits. So this is our 10 lug kit. And then the tire size is a 285, 55, 22. This is the Nitto Recon Grappler. This tire does come with a 55,000 mile tread life warranty. It's all terrain, but it does have a really nice aggressive sidewall. This truck is completely stock height. So a lot of guys are asking, what size can I fit with no modifications? This is an easy go-to size. The diameter is 34.4 inches tall. So it's pretty much a 35-inch tall tire, but it is a little bit more narrow. So closer to 11 3/4 inches wide versus a full 12.5. The difference there for fitment is turning radius purposes. We did no fender well modifications to this truck at all. So if you don't want to do any mods, this is a great fitment here. For shocks, we did upgrade the shocks for him. It's got stock suspension, but he opted for some Fox 2.5s. If you're familiar with Fox, the 2.0 has been a really popular version for a long time. They just released these 2.5s over the last 6 months, and they're really selling quickly. Out back, let me show you the fitment. Again, 22-inch wheel, 8 1/4 wide. Now for offsets, Arena only offers one fitment, as do most. There are a couple fitments that are a little bit more aggressive. This is going to be more on your modest side. So for guys that wanting to keep the wheel and tire up under the vehicle as much as possible, this is your choice outside of one other DDC style. This wheel here, again, 8 1/4 wide, positive 116 offset on the inner, and a minus 202 on your outer. You can see there's plenty of clearance in between the leaf spring, as well as plenty of clearance in between the rear wheels. So this particular offset and fitment will take up to a 12.5 inch wide. If you can just give them a vertical shot here, I'd love for them to be able to see your distance and how far you're sticking out from the fender. You can see it's pretty much my finger length, about 2.5 inches here sticking. So basically the outside tread of that tire is what's going to hang out. If you want something more narrow, go down to a 20-inch. You can go to a 275 tire. You can do a 7 3/4 inch wide wheel in the DDC Shield. But as far as 22s, this is a really nice setup. For you guys that are hauling, worried about load capacity, this checks all those boxes as well. without sacrificing drivability. So upgrading the shock, upgrading the wheel and tires, a really big increase on these F450s. If you want to get a package like this, we do ship directly to your doorstep, so everything will come mounted and balanced. Another thing we did for him is tire pressure sensors. So the F450s 2026 and newer now come with tire pressure sensors. We are using original Ford sensors in these. As far as reprogramming, they're very easy to do. You can do it right in your driveway. You do not have to take it to the dealership to do that. They come ready to go. Just a quick note on tire pressure sensors. If you have an older F450, we can send sensors in the wheels and tires for you. You just have to take it to Ford. They will turn on that feature. It's already built into your truck, and you will also have the ability for tire pressure sensors. So if you got any questions on this 22-inch package, your F450, or any other dually that you may have, feel free to give us a call at 888-505-0987 or head to duallywheels.com.